Hey guys, it's Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. Today I want to talk about reducing taxes. It's that time of year again. And as an entrepreneur and a business owner, as we grow, we all typically make more money than we did the past year. So our quarterly distributions, our end of year, it's a little bit more. So make sure there's ways to kind of reduce that tax basis. Now, I'm not a tax professional or a CPA or anything like that. So make sure this is not advice I'm giving, but just do make sure you get with your tax professional. Chat with them related to if a SEP is right for you, an IRA, a 401k, college savings plans, a 529, a lot of different ways that as we make more money, we can reduce the amount that's coming off that top line by putting money towards those things. Make sure you're obviously tracking all your expenses. So when you bring them to your accountant, if you can write some of those off as well, most business expenses you do. Most importantly, the lesson that I've learned and that I think you should get out of this video is make sure you're networking and you're communicating with other like-kind real estate investors that are at least your size, if not larger, and ask them what they've done as they've grown in order to prevent paying really, really high tax bills. Now taxes are obviously, we all pay them. And typically, as we grow, we pay a ton of taxes. But that being said, if you could find tax strategies to reduce that basis, more power to you. So also, maybe if you're just flipping houses or you're wholesaling and you're used to getting fee-based taxes that are taxed at ordinary income or short-term capital gains, you start investing in rental properties and you're holding them longer than a year. And maybe you take those profits and you put them into a 1031 exchange, or they get taxed as long-term capital gains, which is a smaller tax bracket. A lot of different strategies like that. So again, just to recap, the first thing you should do is get with other like-kind real estate investors that are bigger than you, or at least your same size. Ask them what they do. Maybe you need to switch up your entity structure, things like that. Get the ideas first from experienced real estate investors. Feel free to reach out. We're happy to kind of give some advice, tell you how we set up things. And then the next step is go to your CPA, your tax preparer, and say, these are some strategies I'm thinking about, which ones work for me and which ones do not. Okay? Hopefully this was helpful. Again, this is Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute.